Never underestimate when you do a favor for a friend, what they may take from that and how appreciative they may be, and then they may send you a gift like our friends did for us from the Lobster Guy. We got a gift card and we ordered what we wanted. This box showed up at our front porch, and now we're gonna share the adventure and have it for dinner tonight. Let's see what this is. We got a 1 1/4 to 1 1/2 pound cooked lobster. Yum! We chose to get these cooked. You can get them live. Wow! Clams, lobster, Lobster Bisque, wow! And New England clam chowder. What a fabulous gift to receive. So what we decided that we're gonna have for dinner tonight is both the Lobster Bisque and the lobster. Okay, so what do I need to do? According to the directions, I need to bring both of these pots of water to a boil. So I'm putting 2 to 3 inches of water in this container for the lobsters. Once it comes to a boil and I'm ready to put them in, I'll cook them for only 2 to 3 minutes. For the Lobster Bisque, I'm gonna bring this to a boil also, and it needs to cook for 10 to 12 minutes. Once it has boiled, I'll put this entire container into my pot. While that's happening, I'm also going to make some butter and lemon, so we have a great dinner for tonight. All right, so I've started boiling both of these. I'm going to open these so they're ready to go. All right, so both of my waters are boiling. I'm going to now use probably the entire stick of butter to get it ready for the lobster. Mark has decided we need to have lemon and butter. The water is starting to boil, so we'll be putting everything into the pots in just a moment. I was getting ready for dinner and remembered we have the perfect accoutrement for cracking the shells. I also have small forks for getting the meat out, so excited. So water's boiling. This unopened pouch will go in here for 10 to 12 minutes. So I've set the timer for 8 minutes. At that point, I'll put the lobsters in, getting my butter ready, getting our plates ready, getting our soup bowls ready. This is gonna be a great dinner. Okay, so the timer just went off and we're going to put the lobsters in for 3 minutes. And it is only in 2 to 3 inches of water. And I am going to cover it. All right. It's ready. Bon appetit, dinner served. Thank you to the Lobster Guy and most importantly to our friends. Want to remind you to like us, follow us on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, subscribe to our channel, and also let us know about great places you like to bring in dinner from. Maybe we'll give them as gifts to our friends. Hope you have a good evening.